Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Mariam. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to keep the introduction short and brief. As you've seen from the title, it's going to be a room tour. I regretted not having to put you guys through when I was renovating the room. It wasn't like fully renovation, and it took me quite a long time to put my room into this, so I just felt like I would be losing the clips along the way, so I didn't document anything, but I wished I did. Without that, I still want to put you guys through the room tour, even though you guys have been on my neck for this. And also, the sole aim and purpose of this video is not just to show you my room around. It is also to help you see how to manage a small space. If you're somebody like me that have so many things in their room, I have little bottles from skincare, I have small little things from makeup boxes and makeup products, and I also do DIY, so you can see that I have things that I need to be decluttering in my room. So if this sounds like a topic of interest, you'll definitely want to keep on watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. So let's start with the most important part, that is my bed. So my bed is made here by a guy, someone here, but unfortunately he doesn't have an Instagram handle. If you want to work with him, just comment on the comment section and I'll drop his contact number. So the bed was made with a headboard, but the headboard was so long and I couldn't have access to these switches, so it was very annoying and I had to take it out also for aesthetic purposes. Yes. And these are my 3 beautiful frames. You've all known this frame if you're coming from my Instagram. So yeah, and in case you're not from my Instagram and you want to learn how I create these frames myself, I will link the video down in the description box because I have it here in YouTube. And I also engage in white sheets and white beddings because yes, hotel vibe, aesthetic vibe and all of that stuff, but also white keeps you on your toes, so when it's dirty you can change it immediately because you can see it's gonna be gross and you don't want it to be gross. And also when you stain a white with another color, I feel like it's easier for you to wash it out rather than trying to remove another color from another color. So white is really beautiful. And also I have my 4 beautiful throw pillows. I sleep on throw pillows. Yeah, this is it about this part of the room. And then this, my beautiful part also, I added a bedside, giving this bohemian vibe. I love it. And this lampstand, I created this lampstand myself, so in case you want to know how I do it, I have a little pictorial tutorial on my Instagram on the highlight DIY, so you can check it out if you want to. I would also link in the description box. So I also have a link where I purchased the bulb and the bulb holder in my links highlight on my Instagram. Completely, I love this corner because it's giving coziness vibe. And here inside my side, you can actually open it, and I have my extension wire inside, I have my cables, I have my chargers, I have my pens and a memo because I normally jot down stuff. So that's what is pretty much inside here, and some of my lip gloss and lip balm because, and on top of here I keep my iPad because I use it almost every day. So I have the remote control of the air condition here, and that's all for this corner. And guys, it's giving coziness, it's giving everything that I want. It's exuding this comfort vibe. To the other part of the room, I have this shelf table, and I decided to put this shelf table because the room is a very small one and a very cozy one, and if I decide to have a table with proper legs and all, I feel like the room is going to be choked up with so many stuffs and I can't be able to move things around and sweep the room. Because whenever you're decorating a room, always think about when you come to sweep it. You don't want to keep things that will be keeping a lot of dirt under it. I decided to add some pieces on this, and I added this terracotta vase. I spray painted it black because I feel like I need contrast. Since this is in white, I also need to give it contrast and depth. Also, this is going perfectly fine with this beautiful frame that I also created myself, so you should definitely check my frame video. We can pick 1 or 2 things there, I promise. I added this also diffuser and candle from Match Home Fragrances. I'm also going to link them down in the description box. You want to purchase these babies, they are really amazing. And I also added this hook, the Kinfolk. I love it, it's giving minimal vibe, though when I purchased it from AliExpress, it came broken, so I was really disappointed. That's why I won't be sharing any link from this. And this is the box that came with the diffusers from Match Home Fragrances. And I don't throw boxes, guys. I usually keep them because, you know, I love DIY, so I don't know when these boxes will come in handy. And I also use them to store some of my things. Like in here I have a skincare product, a mirror, a matchstick for lighting my candle, and I have my Washa facial roller and the stone. So I just put this here for, you know, vibe and aesthetic and all of that. And it's giving beauty. I love this table to be clear of things. I don't want to have my skincare product, because normally skincare products do come with different brands, different companies, so they have different colors. So I'm very intentional with the colors that I choose to put in my room, because any color have a story and is telling something to you about the personality of the owner. So I just love how this table is clear. Purposely I made it for work, and also when I need to unbox some packages. My water bottle, I usually keep it by the bedside. This beautiful shelf, it's just giving so many things that I cannot even explain. Also this frame, I love it. It says Muhammad. Two beautiful vase also came with together with this. There are 3, so I painted only the small one because I don't want to, like, you know, try something and go wrong with it. So I leave these 2 guys in beige and brown. This is all about this beautiful corner also, and I would be adding chair. Of course I won't be standing and working. This mirror is really it's thick, it's beautiful, it's strong. This is how a mirror should be. And yes, initially I put my wardrobe here, but the thing was, when I put my wardrobe here, I felt like the room was choked up, and it was like the wardrobe was about to fall on my head. So I was like, no, this is really a bad idea. And the room was looking very tiny, less spacious. So that was why I had to take out the wardrobe from this side. And I love that the mirror is here, because the mirror is like reflecting the other side of the room, which I think is the most beautiful side where my bed is. The mirror is reflecting that side, and so it's giving me this idea of the room is spacious and big. Now let's talk about my carpet. It's a thrifted carpet and I love it. It's so beautiful, just that I wished I had gotten it in a more deeper color than this creamy milk, because I feel like this gets dirty, so I always keep it aside because I don't want it to get dirty, and I always take it to the laundry. So this is all about my carpet and this beautiful side of the room. Let's come back to this side. This side is where I keep the wardrobe, and I also have another shelf here. I don't want the wardrobe to like come close to the window, so I can have access to light coming into my room, because I had a very strong debate with my mind knowing where to keep this wardrobe, because I do not want it to tamper with the light, since this window is also a source of light whenever I'm doing my content. So I have my body lotion, my body oil, my brushes basket, and I also added a frame for aesthetic purpose. I mainly just keep things that I use almost every day, but then I don't want them to be inside the room, because like I told you, I don't want to tamper with so many colors around that side, and I also don't want them to be in the toilet or inside the wardrobe. When you come into the room, you can't see it unless you come deeply inside the room. So this is the idea of this shelf. And to also make this place beautiful, not to keep it blank, I added this planter and my beautiful snake plant. So yeah, you should invest in putting real plants. This is my peaceful corner. I pray here. As you can see, I have my praying mat here, my boxes here, like 3-in-1, and I have my bag for my ring light, and that golden leather bag. I have some of my frame things, my DIY things inside. This purple paper bag also, I have some of my spray paint and things that I just use here and there whenever I need to. And the white paper bag, I have my tea bags, everything related to my teas, my coffee are inside that bag. So this is all about this side, and let's check behind the door. So behind the door, in this bigger carton, I have my makeup box. Since I don't use it always, I just remove some few stuffs that I use here and there. And I also have some other boxes from PR, some other paper bags from PR, and some boxes from my handbags. In this second one, I have my books and everything relating to my school, since we are on strike. And this woven bag, I just have a throw pillow inside, and this was a mistake delivery. So yeah, and I have this Gaviscon that I am done with, but I don't usually throw out things immediately most especially if they are bottle. I would keep them to see if I have any use for them, DIY friendly. So yeah, this is why this is kept here. And this paper bag is everything relating to my nails, nail polish, false nails, filers, everything relating to my nails are here. So, and these are my shoes. I just kept them here. Initially I wanted to have like shelves here so I can put my shoes on top, but I don't keep reforming the room over and over again. So this is just a frame I'm working on. I'm not done because the prints are not out yet. Bring us to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, share the video please guys, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time on another upload.